guys, welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. And if you are new here, I just want to welcome you. Guys, do not leave without subscribing to my channel, hitting the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And so in today's video, guys, I want to show you how to steam callaloo. So guys, as you can see here, I went ahead and I chopped up my carrots, onions, garlic, thyme, tomato, and my bell peppers. And guys, as we move on, I have on the stove here is my pan with oil. As you can see, guys, it's been heated at the moment, and so it's ready. So now I'm gonna pour in my seasonings. So guys, I'm just gonna allow this to saute for a minute, and at this point I am going to add some salt. So guys, now it's time to add the callaloo to the sauteed. So guys, this I will do gradually. now cover and let it stand for a minute. Then I'll be back to check on. So guys, now you can see that there's fluid that's coming from the callaloo as it's being steamed, and that will continue to help in the steaming process. So I'll just flip what's on the top to go to the bottom and vice versa. At this point, guys, I'm just gonna let it stand for another minute, then I will see you at presentation. Voila, guys, here you have it, a nice R-shaped bowl of steamed callaloo. Unlike every other leafy green vegetables, callaloo leaves are packed with nutritional benefits. The leaves contain large amount of vitamins, that's A, B, and C, and are high in fiber, iron, and calcium. The thing I love about callaloo is that it can be eaten with whatever food choice. Bread, boiled bananas, boiled dumplings, fried plantains, pumpkins, yam, potato, rice. Tell you something, guys, this is Sunday morning favorite Jamaican breakfast with boiled bananas or bread. Anyways, guys, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.